मैं डॉक्टर गुलाब फलारी, एसोसिएट प्रोफेसर, डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ इकोनॉमिक्स, जे कॉलेज आरा। आज के मेरे लेक्चर का टॉपिक्स है मेजर्स ऑफ सेंट्रल टेंडेंसी, हाउ मीडियन इज कैलकुलेटेड इन इंडिविजुअल सीरीज, डिस्क्रीट सीरीज एंड इन कंटिन्यूअस सीरीज। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, मीडियन क्या है इसके बारे में जानना है। So median is the value of the middle item of a series arranged in ascending or descending order of a magnitude. And median divides the series into two equal parts. One part containing the value less than the median value and the other part containing the values more than the median values. That's why median is also called average of position. Take for example, the marks of 5 students are 40, 48, 36, 28 and 49. Now for computing the median value, these numbers are arranged in ascending or in descending order. Now, in ascending order, it is 28, 36, 40, 48, 49. And in descending order, it is 49, 48, 40, 36, 28. Now, in both the situation, median value is 40. As it falls in the middle of the series, in both the series, in ascending order or in descending order. Now, computation of median. How median is calculated? Following are the steps for calculating median in individual series. First of all, arrange all the values of different items of a series in the ascending or in descending order, and use the following formula, that is median equal to size of n plus 1 divided by 2 the item. Now in individual series, two situations may arise. First, when n happens to be odd one. If n of a series happens to be an odd number, that is not divisible by 2, it is easy to find out median with the help of the above formula. This one. For example, if the series is 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, median will be 5 plus 1 divided by 2, third item, and the third item is 4, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 4. So median in this case is 4. Now, by using the formula median equal to size of n plus 1 divided by 2 the item, and third item is the 4, and so this is the median. Now when n happens to be even numbers, if n of a series happens to be an even number, n plus 1 divided by 2 will come in fractions. Thus, if the series is 8, 10, 12 and 14, the n plus 1 divided by 2 would be not be a complete, but it would be like 2.5 fifth value, and thus median equal to size of 2.5th item equal to size of second item plus size of third item divided by 2, and size of second item is 10 and third item is 12. 10 plus 2 divided by 2 equal to 22 divided by 2 equal to 11. So median in this case is 11. Now calculation of median in discrete series. Calculation of median in case of discrete series involves the following steps. First, arrange the data into ascending or in descending order. Convert the series into cumulative frequencies. Determine the n plus 1 divided by 2 the item of the series and find the median value corresponding to the n plus 1 divided by 2 the item. Now take for example, calculate the median value from the following distributions. Items here 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. And frequencies 1, 9, 26, 59, 72, 52, 29, 7 and 1. Now series is already arranged in ascending order. So plot the data in a tabular form like this here. X 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. And given frequency is 1, 9, 26, 59, 72, 52, 29, 7 and 1. And add this one to get number of item n equal to 2, 5, 6. And find CF, cumulated frequencies. F here is 1, 1 plus 9, 10, 10 plus 26, 36 and so on. All this. Now, median equal to size of n plus 1 divided by 2 the item. And size of n here is 256 plus 1 divided by 2 the item equal to 257 divided by 2 equal to 128 on fifth item. Now 128 on fifth items lies in 167 CF. So the corresponding value is 14 and hence median will be 14 here in this case. Now median in continuous series. In continuous series, median lies in a particular class interval and following are the steps for calculating median. First, calculate CF, cumulative frequency. Find the median size by using the formula median equal to size of n by 2 the item. Determine the median class in which the median lies. By using the formula, median is located. Following are the formula median equal to L1 plus L2 minus L1 divided by F within bracket M minus C. Next formula, a median equal to L1 plus I by F M minus C. Median equal to L1 plus I by F, that is N minus N by 2 minus C. Now take for example, given the following data, compute the median marks. Class interval within marks 0 to 25, 25 to 50, 50 to 75, 75 to 100. And number of students 30, 50, 80, 40. Now computation of median, put the data in a tabular form like this. Marks here 0 to 25, 25 to 50, 50 to 75, 75 to 100. And given frequency here is 30, 50, 80, 40, add 1 to get n equal to 200. Find CF, cumulative frequency. 30, 30 plus 50, 80, 80 plus 80, 160, 160 plus 40 equal to 200. Now median class equal to size of n by 2 the item. N here is 200 divided by 2 equal to 100 item. Now 100 and median lies in class 50 to 60, and the formula for calculating median is N1 plus N by 2 minus CF divided by F into I here means interval. N1 here is 50 plus 100 minus 80 divided by 80 into 25. After solving this, we get median value is 56.25. Now in inclusive series, in calculation of median from the inclusive class interval, first of all, series has to be converted into exclusive class intervals by subtracting 0.5 from L1 lower limit and adding 0.5 in L2 upper limit, and the rest procedure remains the same. Now take for example, calculate median from the following mass series: 6 to 10, 11 to 15, 16 to 20, 21 to 25, 26 to 30, 31 to 35, 36 to 40, 41 to 45. And number of students: 17, 16, 32, 24, 18, 10, 5. Now determination of median. Now put this data in a tabular form. Given mass share is 6 to 10, 11 to 15 and so on. Exclusive series. Now deduct 0.5 in L1 and add 0.5 in L2. We find 5.5 to 10.5, 10.5 to 15.5, 15.5 to 20.5 and so on. Frequency here is 17, 16, 32, 24, 18, 10, 5, 1. Add this one 123, and cumulative frequency 17, 33, 65, 89, 107, 117, 122, 123. Now median equal to size of n by 2 the item. N here is 122 by 2 equal to 61.5th item. Now 61.5th item lies in the class interval of 15.5 to 20.5. Hence median will be median equal to L1 plus L2 minus L1 divided by F M minus C. L1 here is 15.5 plus differential is 5 divided frequency here is 32. M 61.5 minus C 33. Now solve this to get median value is 19.95. That's all.